This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tara Mruck. Step into this open floor plan home in the highly sought after Winter Springs, Tuskawilla Crossings Community, a great location close to top rated schools, local shopping, and restaurants. This home includes 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, upgraded kitchen with island for entertaining, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, 42-inch solid wood cabinets, and opens up to the spacious family room and dining room. Desirable split plan with a primary suite and luxury spa bathroom situated away from the remaining bedrooms along with a large master closet. Home smart features include the garage door, front door lock, ring doorbell, smart light switches, a centrally located ceiling-mounted Wi-Fi router, and a central wiring closet in the laundry room. Home includes lanai, private outdoor space, beautiful front porch, and 2-car garage. Upgrades made to this home include gorgeous new lighting fixtures, luxury wood look tile flooring, upgraded interior paint, vinyl fenced backyard, and upgraded landscaping. This home features energy-saving double pane, low-E vinyl windows. This is the perfect opportunity to live close to everything Winter Springs has to offer. Enjoy community amenities such as an oversized swimming pool, party cabana, playground, walking trails, and dog park. In addition, easy access to the Cross Seminole Trail for hiking or biking from within the community. An amazing find, tucked into a great neighborhood, just minutes from everything. For more information, review the details below.